Hello, I'm going to demonstrate how to add and change products using your WordPress shopping cart. I've already gone ahead and logged in to this particular site here. I'm looking at the main WordPress dashboard at the moment, and I just scroll down, click on checkout. You should see that since you have the shopping cart enabled. When you do that, you want to scroll down within the checkout category here. You're going to simply click on products, and now you should see all of the current products that you have listed. To add a new product, I'm going to simply click on Add New up here where it says Manage Products. And at this point, this is where I would put in what I want to call the product. I can put in a little description about the product. Add an image if you have one. And take note of any important notes listed here with regards to the size of the image, and that will vary depending on the settings that you or the person creating your site has made. Then you want to select categories that you would want this product to be in. One of the beauties about this program is that it is a database, so you only have to enter this product in one time, and you can have it appear in multiple categories if you so choose. For this particular product, this test, I'm going to select 2 categories just to show that it is showing up in 2 different places. So I have chosen clearance as well as balloons. Over here back in the center area, after scrolling down a little bit, you'll see where you can set your pricing. You can do tiered pricing if you so choose. Most of my products so far have been fixed price. They are in dollars, so if I chose to not put the decimal and the 2 zeros after it, it would just show up as $1. Obviously, you see a few more options here, such as the wholesale price, suggested price, things like that you can put in as well. If you are using the system to help you track where you purchase these things from, maybe you have a lot of similar products, different manufacturers, different distributors, things like that, you can add a supplier in here, add a little bit more information, inventory information. This minimum order is typically used when you want to be notified that you have sold some of your inventory and you're down to this point, so that you can internally go ahead and place your order for additional supply of that product. This code is typically your internal product number, and again, you have the categories listed. If you have chosen the categories up here in the upper right, you do not need to select them down here. They will not immediately be selected. However, if I'm editing an existing product, these the categories that that product was in would be selected in both places. So for this new product, I am pretty well set here. One more thing to take a look at back in the right hand side, a couple of things actually. I typically would not recommend selecting anything as far as page goes. This will make it show up on a different area of the site. If you leave it here as create new page, it will show up on your products page, and when you click on this product, it will open it in its own page. And then typically I would leave this as full width as well. That way your customers are, when they click on that product to view it, they're going to see just that product, and they're going to see it as a whole entire page. So go ahead and click on Save Page. I'm sorry, Save Product. And now you can see that I have my test product here. It's in both of those categories that I selected. And I left this product as a digital type. Most of them would probably be tangible. Obviously something that you would be able to sell, and something that somebody can purchase and actually get and hold on to, versus a software item or something like that where they would download it. So I'm going to go back into this product because I do want to edit it and change that to tangible. And that is actually right here underneath the pricing. And if I select tangible, you'll notice another area, some other things come down. This would be important obviously if I was using the system to calculate shipping. But at this point, for this particular site, we've chosen to just have a flat shipping rate. So I will not put any of that information in. And I'm going to save this product. I didn't want to change anything else on that particular one. So now you'll see that it's listed as tangible. Simply enough, if I want to edit a product and I'm not sure where it is, I can do a search for it here. And you also have the ability to search for product type and to search for category. The easiest way that I have found to do that is go back down to the checkout area, search for shop categories, and now all of the categories are shown here, as well as the number of products that are listed in those categories. And I know that I put that product in the clearance category, so I can click on the number of products, which is 9 in this case, and it will give me that list of those 9 products. And there's the test product that I added. I'll click on edit again, and just for this example, obviously just changing that bit of information here. Could also make a product inactive if I want to keep it in the database, but maybe not advertise it for the time being. Select inactive. And this is also another option that I didn't speak about before. Create post or page. This will typically be set to post by default, and I would recommend leaving it that way at this point. If you'd like some more information, please contact the developer of this video and we'll be happy to help you out. So I've made those couple of edits here with the description and with the product status. And I will hit save product. I'm going to go hop on the live site here so we can take a look at how these show. And you're actually looking at the shopping cart. Here's all of the particular categories for this particular website here. We know that one was in clearance and there's a very few amount of products there, so that's why I chose to search in that category. And I should not see it because I have it marked as inactive, and indeed you can see I do not see it there. Hop back over here. Still have this category open for editing. Go in there and edit the product. Select active and hit save. And I'm going to go back to the live site here. I'm still in the clearance section and I want to refresh and that product should show up. And sure enough, here it is, test product number 1. You can kind of see this way how it lays it out too. It does do some internal editing and cropping with your photo. Just work with your developer to again choose the right size photo and make sure that everything is optimal and looking right for your customers. But here's how this particular product shows up, and if I were to click on the picture or the name, it will bring it to, like I was explaining, for its own page that's just on this product. And I have my description here. Obviously the more you have there, the more space this is going to take up, which is fine. If I were to add this product to my cart should show up here on the right hand side. Actually, I'm sorry, because we chose to look at that product, we're taken right to the shopping cart. And we can say continue shopping, and then you'll see it on the right hand side. So now you see that we're back to the searching right at the beginning. Looking at the categories, we have our shopping checkout, and it says that we've got one order there. We can simply click on one of these options as a customer. So very straightforward for your customer, very easy for you to add, change, and remove products. Also see that we have put this product under balloons, so I just want to run through that and quickly show that it is also in there. This category in particular has a subcategory as well. Obviously we did not put it in the subcategory, so we're going to go right to balloons, and we should see our product here at some point. There it goes, test product 1. I'm going to go back here, and you see these buttons come up when you are just hovering over or rolling over your product name. This particular product, obviously I do not want to have it here anymore, so I'm going to delete it. And if you ever get into a situation, I would not recommend doing this unless you are very sure of what you are doing, but there is a delete all. Also be careful for that button because it will delete every single product that you have in your database. There is a double check where it'll pop up with a box asking you if you are sure. Again, just realize that you will be losing everything that you currently have. That is the main gist of adding and editing products. If you have more questions or anything else you'd like to add, please let us know and we'll be happy to get it in there for you. Thank you and have a great day.